for punishment.
I had the who's who of the UFC Hall of Fame, like, give their best shot, and everybody said, dude, we got it. And then it didn't work. Dude, John Jones blasted my ear into oblivion. Like, oh.
I have arrived to Austin. Cole's over here at Bueller Park.
Full complete.
This idiot. Currently raining. I have just got to Austin. We are now going to the campsite. Cole wanted to go see that skate park. I was a skateboarder. Just pulled up to the campsite. Now we're going to get some food. We're hungry as hell.
Franklin's closed, man.
It's closed?
Yeah, it closed at like 3 p.m.
What are we hitting?
Let's just go downtown and hit somewhere.
I bet.
That's your job.
Middle of 6th Street, baby. The bluest rooms. Oh, it's like a little bar. Look at that. Cole Johnstone and Dreadlock Man together.
Here, use this nickel as a pick.
Be careful on 6th Street.
Which one? What side?
Every single side.
East side, baby.
Watch out for East side. Yeah. This is the setup right now. I'm about to go to bed. Alright. So it is actually kind of warm in here. I don't know what temperature it is in here, but I'm pretty warm. It's actually doing a pretty good job. Not bad at all. Anyway, I'm gonna go to bed. Yeah, it's not too bad. Kind of a cramped fit. I could stretch out. Take the video. Alright. I'll talk to you in the morning. Oh. Yep. It's raining. Good morning. Yeah, dude. This little camper slept pretty good last night. Really surprised. I didn't get really cold. It was, I think the coldest it got, it was 45 last night. It's nice, man. I'm excited to do a lot more adventures. That was the first official night in the truck. Had a good night at 6th Street last night. Me and Cole went out, saw some live bands. Now we're here at the campsite. It's pouring down rain, but we're still gonna make the most of it today. So let's see what we can get into. Let's see what Cole's doing. Cole! Cole! What are you doing? Oh.
We about to take a hike?
Let's take a, are we taking a hike?
Dude, let's take a hike.
Bet.
From the upper falls to the lower falls.
Alright, sounds good, man. First things first, we do need the bootsies. The bootsers. The boot scoop boogies. And the cute socks. It's a mess in here, I know. Having like space for cameras and whatnot is huge for me. So it is kind of, you know, like kind of not the biggest, because I'm 6 foot, so it's not the biggest, but I'm going to make it work by any means necessary. I've seen some videos on YouTube how I kind of want to do my area, my little bed setup. But I like my bed setup. It worked good last night. I woke up a few times, but it wasn't too bad. Just have to see. Just keep coming camping. I want to get outdoors more, you know? Even though it's raining, just gonna have to go outdoors. Alright. Yep, look like a big highlighter, but this jacket is what you need in these kind of conditions. It's really good. Damn. Good old campsite. Clean this up a little bit.
We gotta hop in the car, homie.
We're having, oh shit.
Wait, you like the boots?
Oh, I got the Red Wings. Umbrella. Can't forget because it's freaking raining.
That's the bald cyper. Tree of the year 2012. Nicknamed Old Baldy. The bald cypress was once heavily harvested for lumber.
Wow, this thing's a beast. 2012 Tree of the Year right here, Cole. Holy shit. That's a Tree of the Year right there, buddy. That's cool.
I think it's cool that you can grab a little snack while you're here.
What are you chewing on?
Some beauty berries. French mulberries.
So me and Cole are gonna get some food. Man, just pouring down rain, man. It's just pissing rain. Let's go. Ayo, ayo, it's raining. It's raining, fool.
Well, guess we gonna go get some barbecue.
Franklin's barbecue is supposed to be world famous, so we're gonna go check it out.
Some barbecue.
Oh, bro, can I brush my teeth?
Your destination is on your right. Franklin Barbecue. Arrive.
No way. It's like that? It's a sad one. So change of plans. We're not going to Franklin's barbecue because it's freaking jumping. Some options here. We just pulled up some food trucks. Let's see what we can find. Couldn't have held me worse. This place is badass. What's up, boys?
Yeah, let me get that Playboy.
Playboy sandwich?
Yeah.
Let me get the Playboys. No, let me get the Silky.
Silky?
Yeah, you have like fries?
No, it's all smoked stuff.
Let me get smoked mac and cheese and the potato salad. Look at this, boys. Look at this. Look at that. And it's raining. Let's see how cold it's gonna get tonight. It warms up tonight. Thank God. Got our food, got our food, got our food, got our food, got our food. Oh yes, man. We got some smoked mac and cheeser.
This is the coleslaw one.
Potato salad. Yes. Check this sandwich out. Oh my God. They're joking, right? They're joking, right? Oh my God. My mouth has never watered so hard in my life. We're gonna go in for that first.
Mukbang.
Wow. It's not okay how good that is.
Dog. This is serious. I gotta do some push-ups before I eat this, bro. Or else I'm gonna feel like a wasteful person. Yours looks good. How many push-ups should I hit right now?
30.
30?
Mm-hmm. What's going on? Yep. It's freaking cold. I think I'm gonna lay down for a little bit. Oh, there goes my camera. Y'all are alright. Y'all are alright. Minor difficulties. Yeah. 39 degrees here in Austin. And me and Cole are probably about to both take a nap. I am tired. Nothing like good old rain to set you up to go to sleep. Oh shit. This is cool though. This is so badass that I can literally just hop in the back of my truck and call it a night. I do need to do some minor adjustments though. This is just kind of a test run, you know? a test run camping and making a video and just seeing exactly what I need, you know. Yes. I need to see what I need to get in order to make this a little more comfortable fit, because I'm 6 foot and this bed is 5'5", so I'm pretty cramped in here. I'll see y'all when I wake. Oh yeah. But yeah, I slept good. The camper held up really well. We're on our way home now, but we're gonna make a stop at this this place. It's called Plum Park on the Colorado. Oh, dude, my hair is a mess.
I'm gonna give you this too.
Thank you, John.
Okay? I'll put that up on your dash.
Okay.
That way the ranger can see it if he comes in.
All right, sounds good, John.
Tells him you got that you paid.
All right, thank you. Have a good one, man. What a nice fella. He let me in for free. Oh, this place is pretty dope. Let's check it out. Let's get the camera out so y'all can see. What's down there? Oh, water. I'm going fishing. I'm going fishing. Oh, God, what a mess. I'll put my boots on now. I'm catching something right here. Keep whistling beautifully. So, couldn't catch any fish. Yeah, it's just too cold. I don't know how good the fishing is on the Colorado River. I don't know if it's good or not, but it's kind of shit for me. Not one bite. This guy's hauling ass. So we're loading back up, and we're probably gonna go to another park. I'm gonna get some food to cook. Yeah.
What's up?
What's up?
We gone?
We gone. Gonna get some food to cook. I don't know what kind of food yet. Probably something easy. But we're gonna go check out another state park on the way home, so stay tuned. Stay tuned. Alright, so me and Cole are gonna go to another park. We're going to SFA or some Stephen F. Austin Park or something. Alrighty. So I just pulled up this ATV. It's a real cute ATV. Look at it. It's cute, right? Alright, so I got the groceries. Now it's time to see what I got cooking.
morning I give him all this love, and he gets so fucking happy. It's so obvious he's conscious. So what is that consciousness? Like, what is that? Is he getting it from the universe? It's obviously in him too.
Right.
It's, you are conscious and consciousness exists. There's something that exists outside of us. And I think that's where you pull ideas from. They come from the ether, but they also come from your mind. They come from, you know, states of consciousness, whether it's psychedelics or meditation or yoga, or there's different ways you feel different times depending on how life is going, and all that is a factor. It is something is in you, but what is that, and how much of that is?
Finally found coal.
Alright, so where are we cooking at? We could go over there, or one of these?
I don't care.
Alright, let's just use this one. There's the water over here.
Alright. Alright, so we need... Is it not focused? Alright. We need to get the groceries. Oh, he's got some stuff. Perfect stuff.
Ever seen the episode of Futurama?
Yeah. Let me finish these potatoes. Daddy.
But I'm going to use a...
I'm just gonna chop it on this wood. Right down the middle.
Fresh Turk's Cap berries. Fresh Turk's Cap berries.
Here.
Turk's Cap berries to go with dinner. Fresh.
We'll be alright. Haven't been. I used to be on audiobook shit hard. Oh yeah.
Put a little bit of water. Put a little bit of salt.
That's doing a good job. What you got going? When did you get this little camper cooker? Had it?
Stove?
Yeah.
Years ago.
Don't judge me, I'm chopping this lime on here. Easy way to cut a lime. Onions, cilantro, limes, bell peppers, fajita mix, flipperoo. Potatoes are probably close to done. Don't be afraid to use it. Right behind it with like a half stick of butter. On there, boom. A little salt action. Boom. Don't be afraid to use it. Put it right there on the butter. Turned out more to be like a mash. It'll work. Just residual heat. We're done. Not the biggest pan, but it worked just fine. Look at how beautiful that chicken is. Look at that. Look at these guys. Beautiful. You ain't had nothing yet. Might have just murdered the chicken. Just gotta wait on my tortilla. So it's a little warm. Oh yeah, ready. Some onion. Cilantro. And whatever sauce Cole got right here. Got something here. I'm gonna go enjoy this in my truck. Here we go. This is it. Big old goober right here. Very good. Yeah. Certified. Certified?
Certified. Potatoes are so easy, bro.
Really?
Oh yeah. They grow underground.
They're like a root, right?
Yeah.
Dude, look at him, going in for thirds. Don't be eating all my chicken, boy.
I'm eating the potatoes here, they're good.
Potatoes are gassy. They don't look too gassy, but they're delicious. Yeah, worst part about cooking is the dishes. Whoops.
It's a shitty one now.
Yeah, so we're on our way to the water. Oh, look. Deer.
SpongeBob!
Sponge!
Gotta do that Patrick scream.
Oh yeah, it's impossible. Only Patrick can do it. Sponge!
Oh.
Wow. Beautiful. A little bit of a hike. I think we're about to see some water though. I see water.
This is nice.
This ain't bad.
Nicer than I thought.
Danny's saying it's pretty cool. Stairs. If there's anything else that you want us to see us do, any state parks you want us to go see, anything that you know of that we might not know of, I'm gonna be doing a lot of truck camping, a lot of fishing, a lot of just outdoor stuff. Just trying to inspire the people to get outdoors more. It's been a good weekend, one to remember. First time sleeping in the F-150. Many more to come with Cole, hopefully. We are back to the truck and we're about to go. Let's get up out of here, man. I'm tired, I'm ready to go to bed. Let's look at my own bed. Let's get out of here. Skedaddle. Skedaddle.